Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how CapCut can correct the color of your clips with a single click. Let's do it! Alright, I've got this clip in my timeline, let's check it out. And you can see the colors are kind of flat. So I will click in the clip or select it. I will go to Adjustment tab, Basic sub-tab, Color Correction. And with a single click, you can see bright colors in this spot. And now we can adjust the intensity. Original, 100%. I think I'll go here by 50. That's before. And that's after. Look at the reds, the colors in general. And that's it. If you like this content and want to support my channel, just hit the join button and become a member. You'll get access to all my videos 1 month ahead. And don't forget to like and subscribe to always get new content. See ya!